If DoubleClick isn't working on your Mac, like when you can't open folders or files properly, don't worry. I'll show you a quick fix. Let's get started. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. In the sidebar on the left, click Accessibility. Now scroll down and look for Pointer Control, then click on it. Here you'll see the DoubleClick Speed slider. If the speed is set too high, your Mac may not recognize your double clicks correctly. Try moving the slider slightly to the left. Around the middle is a good starting point. After adjusting it, test your mouse or trackpad again to see if double click works properly. If it's still not working, move the slider a bit further to the left and test again until it feels comfortable and responsive. And if the issue continues, a simple restart of your Mac can also help resolve temporary glitches. That's it. This is an easy way to fix double-click problems on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching.